Good day. Let's see if everything is working. Yeah, I've got a camera, I've got a mic. That all seems to be working, and we're going to YouTube and Twitch. That all seems to be working. Welcome on in, Fallen One Art and Camera Tim. Welcome to the stream. Today I'm gonna work a bit on the draw plugin for OBS. So yeah, if you have any questions or things like that, just put them in the chat. I'm good. Thanks for asking. Let's see if we can show some code. Yeah. The draw plugin as it stands allows you to draw on your stream, and I wanna add a feature that you can select a part of the drawing to move it over. So that's what I wanna work on. Do you have an estimated release date for shader filter? No, because there are not that many changes in it yet, or changes that I find critical or things like that. Get an ad as soon as you ask. Yeah. Let's see. If I can get the notification of the ads. Can I see when the ad is done? Yeah. So as there are not essential changes to shader filter, I tend to gather some more changes to make a release, just to make sure that there's not a release for every small thing. So and I think I don't have enough changes yet to make it a release, but I'll keep track of it. Let's see. I will put it on the list. That is on there. I just want to see when I should post a video for the tool I initially broke. Yeah, I'll let you know. I can send you a message on Discord or something if you like that. am I dropping frames? It should be. Because of the network dropping frames. Is it? That is strange. Because it's only to Twitch that I'm dropping frames. Yeah, YouTube has good connection. Both YouTube streams have good connection. Hey, welcome on in, Bakakuma. I owe all my creativity to you? No, the creativity you bring yourself. I only provide tools to express your creativity. Can I join your Discord, or is it something required for one to join? I don't have an own Discord. You can find me on the OBS Discord if you want to ask me something or like that. And if you want to find me on Discord, it's just Exceldro, so you should be able to contact me if you have any questions or things like that. But if they are generic questions about plugins, I would advise just asking in the OBS Discord, because if everybody goes directly to me with questions, then it can be a bit much. Or just if you have questions that I can answer now, just put them in chat. Just downloaded the Troll update from a couple of weeks ago. And can finally put filters on it, yeah? It looks good if you put a glitch shader on the global draw source. Yeah, you can combine all the plugins and effects and things like that. Yeah. Let's see. I want to add another tool here, and that would be selection rectangle and with selection ellipse, I think. Is that finite singularities glow filter around your webcam? Yes, it is. And I see I am still dropping frames to Twitch. I'm still not sure why. Is it anything I can do? I don't think I can do anything about it. No, I think my YouTube streams are fine. They both give a green light with the good connection message, so it seems only Twitch. Maybe it's a Twitch enhanced podcast that's having the issue. Yeah, it looks like it's dropping 1 in 8 frames, so one every 8 frames. Yeah. It's not rendering like it's just in the network, so yeah, Twitch be twitching, yeah, might be. Welcome on in, Unleashed. And welcome on in, Cliff, JD Gaming. Well, let's see. First, I want to define an extra tool. God of OBS plugins. No, not a god. If it adds to your mental statistics, I saw your live message on Blue Sky. Yeah, I tried that. I haven't checked if it's working, but it should be the first time it's doing that. And it seems to be working. I'm checking Blue Sky now, and indeed it posted the message automatically, so now I'll have to check when I'm done if it removes the message automatically. Tool selection rectangle. Other one, selection ellipse. That are the tools that I want. Then we first, let's see where I use this one, then I can see where I need to edit. This will be to select ellipse. I did call it that, right? Selection. Select. It's good. Shorter. Hey, welcome on in, Mr. K. On which plugin I'm working today? I'm working on the draw plugin, and I am working on a feature that you can select a part of the drawing to move that around. Anyone else abusing the 3D filters field of view to zoom into sources? It's a use. It's not what I made it for, but Select rectangle, select ellipse. They should now be in the menu. Let's first make sure they have an icon. The rectangle. For the rectangle, we also want the select version. And now it should be 3D filter, field of view, audio move, tune-up plugin, almost art. Yeah, that can be a nice visualizer for music. Yeah. We have the rectangle and the ellipse here, but I want to draw it with a dotted line. Then it would be can be solid line, but if I put here dash line, I think that's the one I want. And let's see if that works. Yeah, it looks about right. Maybe is the dash line, is the dot line a bit better? Let's see how the dot line looks. Yeah, I like the dot line better. The dash has not enough separation here, and now it has. Let's put them in the translations. Solution Explorer translation. Select rectangle. Not gonna lie, I thought you weren't speaking English for a second. Can be. My English isn't my native language, so I might have been speaking Dutch, but I should speak English for most of the time. The draw source. Not Deutsch. It's from Germany, but I'm from the Netherlands, so it's Dutch. Greetings from Germany. Guten Tag of Guten Dag. Yeah. It's all close together. Hi, welcome on in, fix it. I added it to the translation. We have it selectable in our menu. Now, I think when we select the tool, it should do nothing. And use almost all of your plugins as soon as they drop. Oh, that's a lot. I think you have like 30 plugins of me installed done. I have a lot of plugins. Yeah, but they're not all on the OBS forum, so maybe like 25 or something like that. Would it be possible using a drop-down menu to choose which specific draw source you're drawing on? Yeah, that would be possible, but because it shows the whole theme here, like if I add a draw source here, if I draw over here, I draw with that draw source, and here I draw on the global draw source, so it tries to detect first the draw source that's here. If I put it on pencil, you would be able to see it. If I draw here, then you get in that part. If I draw here, I thought the dog always draws on global. In earlier version, it did, and the hotkey for clear, I think I made hotkeys for that as well. Let's see. Where are my draw? Oh, this is only switching the tools. That's where I have hotkeys for, but not for clearing. Should be easy to add. I didn't see it in the change log. Maybe I didn't put it in there clear enough. I'm not sure, but this clears all the draws that are in the scene, so you are the reason I never moved over to StreamFX Patreon. You saved me a ton of money and kept everything I used from StreamFX open to the public. God of OBS plugins. I just make tools that I like and make them public for everybody to use. It's upon us to decide the Excelder's wise writings. Let me see the selection. It does nothing yet. $1440p HVC, yeah. With Twitch enhanced broadcasting, you can get some higher quality, but normally it works fine. But today it's dropping frames like crazy. But so I need to make the selection visible. Let's copy this one. Like that, and that would be number 8, and that's a select rectangle, and it would not be draw line, but like draw dot line. And I can remove these two. Because I don't need that. Does enhanced broadcasting allow beyond 8 Mbit in terms of bitrate? It does more. I am outputting like 14 Mbits at the moment. So, and I think a large part is for the 1440p. Let's check. If you put on video stats, you would see it's doing like 7K, 6K for the 1440p or something like that. Yeah, 50 max, total 8, 40, yeah, that should be about right, yeah. I have 2 feature requests for Dropper. Assign the eraser function to the right click and a shortcut key for the clear function. Yeah, clear function doesn't have a key yet, but the favorite tools do. But an eraser on the right button, then you would have a fixed size eraser or something like that. I have to think about that, how to easily add that to the tool. Let's see, we want the draw line, and we copy that, and we make a version to draw a dotted line. We remove the color and the distance factor, so we can remove this. Can you make it so your draw plugin can make me good at drawing? Will be a difficult one. I only provide tools. You need to bring the skill yourself. I'm screwed then, yeah. Or find somebody with the skills. This. I need to remove this part. I can remove this part altogether. Effective alpha. I can remove this part. Let's see. Let's make it a white line for now. And see what it does. Anyways, have a good one. Thank you so much for your amazing work. You're welcome. Just set the opacity to 0. What do you mean? Let's see. I need to make sure. That it's building, yes. Then I think I have an error. Interesting. Let's see if this is breaking somewhere. It's this here. No. No. Why is it? No, I think that effect did not load. Then we can remove those breakpoints. The music gives me GDC vibes. Welcome on in, watching account Nederlands, yes. But I speak mostly English in my streams. Let's see. If I can find out what the issue is. What's it in Dutch? English? Where did you learn programming? I did learn programming when I was a little kid. I started programming when I was about 8 years old. And after that, never stopped doing it and studied it and things like that. So yeah, I started in QBasic. Just by editing programs that were existing. Do you have any tips or anything to start with? It's easiest to start with something where you just want to do like a little change to a program and then find out just by researching how that program is made and what you need to change that program. Because then you have motivation behind it, and that's the easiest way to learn something, if you have a motivation behind it. If you just learn like how things work, it's a lot easier when you have a motivation behind it. I need to find the error message. That. This is all not related. Not related. It should be. Let's see. I think if we set a breakpoint here and then look at the output, I should be able to see what error message I get. Thank you though, I love your plugins. You're welcome. It failed, but it didn't give me an error. Let's step in. Error list, error. Expected type. Let's see what's here. That should be like that, and this should be like that. That should fix it. Let's make this more readable. Less indenting is better. Early returns. Hey, welcome on in, Nick and Tina Pilot. Let's see if that fixes. That fixes my issue. I draw a white border now. Yes. Let's see. The tool down. I can't wait for the streamer but update that's in alpha to be in public. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. They're adding some good new features. Let's see. Because tool down is now a boolean. The keybind fix, yeah, that's a good one. And also, if you're making if-else statements, that's also a better option, that you don't have to have extra sub-actions or actions just to have an if-else statement. Let's see. We need to differentiate between the selection mode and the drag mode for this tool. I'm cooking in my kitchen right now. Yeah, and I'm cooking up a plugin. I've been messing with Advanced Scene Switcher and it's great. Wish there were more people making videos on how to use it, because it has so many things that you can do with it. Yeah, there are a lot of things you can do with it. Yeah. to up to down, and to track. That are the modes I need. And tool modes. And then I would need to change this. I use my MIDI device as a Stream Deck and OBS MIDI. You can also use Atom. The Atom automation app also supports MIDI. The only downside is it's a paid solution, but let's see, tool mode, yes. Then we get this one done. Did we? No. Let's rename it here as well. Tool mode. Yeah, there are some advanced things for advanced scene switching you can do. If we click the mouse, tool mode is tool down. Stuff like advanced scene switcher and move build literally transform OBS in a game engine. You need a little bit more for a game engine, but yeah, it's a good start. Yeah, with the semi or streamer bot with it, yeah, then you can get a game engine. Down to up. Select rectangle. I think I want to do something specific for them. That should work. I just wish OBS had better text sources. What specifically do you want in text sources? Change stuff like distance between letters and letter rotations. I think in that case you might be better off just with a browser source with just that animation in it. Hey, welcome on in, Grizzly B. I did break it again. I think there is tool down in this document. No, it did not compile this one. Hey, welcome on in, Kenny. Let's see. Select rectangle. But that part is now working. Let's make it a dotted line. That should be in draw. Let's see. Is the distance between those two. Then we are on the end position, so we can do this one. And I think let's make a float 3. Color, make it by default white, put that in here, and then we have the distance here. Are you still working on Source Switcher every now and then? I work on all my plugins when I feel like there's need to work on them. For Source Switcher, I don't think I have many things that I want to add. Is there any specific thing you want added or she changed? Have you guys ever used the Windows Dock plugin? I have not used that one. Right now, when you use videos in Source Switcher and also use transitions, the video restarts right when the transition begins. In that case, I would look at my playout source plugin. It's not on the OBS forum yet, but that's especially made for playing multiple media files and having transitions between that. I can link you that one. That's the playout source, and if you want the latest build, you have to get this one. I swear I scrolled your GitHub the other day and didn't see that. It's one of my latest plugins. So I don't know when you scrolled my GitHub, but I made that about 2-3 months ago. Or I started it 2-3 months ago. The last change I did 2 days ago, so. Let's see if that works. That might not work because it's not building, and I don't think the modulus symbol is working in. What does Playout do? It is a source that is made to play multiple video files after each other, and with transitions in betweens and things like that. Why didn't any Lippy talk about that yet? Because I didn't make it public yet. I expect to have it public like next week or something. Make the first announcement about it. This kinda works. The transition works with sound too? Yeah, that should. Test it and let me know your findings, because it's all just made yeah, so let me know if you find any issues or it looks yet. How long until Draw replaces Photoshop? That will take a bit. Photoshop and quite some features. This can be moved. Draw is gonna be a good plugin for esport, yeah. see if that looks any better. Yeah, this looks like a dotted line, and if you make it smaller, bigger, it changes from the center. That's okay. Installing playout source. Wish me luck. You'll be fine. Thank you for the subscription. When holding the shift key, I would like the starting position of the ellipse and rectangle to be centered on the clicking position. I made it the same as Microsoft Paint. So maybe I can do that with like another key like Alt or Control or something like that. I learned to make my own program, if you still remember me from last time, where I asked how to use WebView 2. Thanks, Exceldo. You're welcome. I now have it to where I don't have to use the auto starter script because I used an advanced scene switcher with it, but now I need to figure out how those apps auto close with OBS. Yeah, I'm not sure how apps auto close with OBS. This select thing is working. If I make this smaller, then it's not that visible. Let's try a bit more. You're the best, thank you. Could you equalize the spacing depending on width, height? Yeah, maybe. I selected autoplay, playback mode single for testing loop. You don't have to put anything in section. Playback mode single means that autoplay means that if you switch to that scene, it will start playing. And playback mode single will mean it will only play a single file. So if you also have loop enabled, it will loop that single file. Okay, so list enabled, loop disabled, it should at least show me the MP4, right? Yes. And I can show you on here. I should have layout source. Here. You should also have, when you have the source selected, the controls in OBS here to stop, restart and play the video file. You get the media controls, do they work? Is your source still 1 pixel or 0 pixels in size? Because as soon as there is media in it, let me see, start and transition. Non transition. The maybe I did break something with the last release. Checks. Still size 0. It's an interesting because display outsource does work. Audio in it. Autoplay, it's playing. Autoplay list. And loop. But it should also work when autoplay is not active. But it's something I might need to look at. Creating a second one works. Interesting. Might be in a state that it's broken. Alrighty. Now we have something to draw on. Yeah. This selection box is good enough for now. Let's see if we can also make that for the ellipse. I'm gonna wait for the full release then, but very excited. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I'm shocked OBS doesn't have something like autoplay because they have image slideshow. Yeah, but image, like for media sources, they have kind of autoplay when there's an option to when a source activates. The image slideshow, I think the limit has been removed because there has been an overhaul of the image slideshow in OBS 31. I think it's 31, 30 or 31. There's been an overhaul of the image slideshow, and that should work a lot better now. Hey, it seems like I'm not dropping that much frames anymore to Twitch. I did not change anything. It fixed itself. Dropped frames. Yeah. Few. Ah, it's dropping frames again. I was too early. Yep, spoke too soon. Your sub fixed it, yeah. They support fade, swipe, and slide only. In the image slideshows, yeah. Yep. The image. Let's see, apply color, and we don't want the tool color. Apply color. Now it should draw a white ellipse. If you use ellipse selection. My food is gone even though I just cooked it. I hope you have been eating it yourself. Hey, welcome on in, Slashy. That looks like that the selection is also working, but we want the dotted line like we have here. I wish the preview window was also docked. Yeah! Yeah. But you can just disable the preview, then you have more space, and then just use the draw instead. I think you can do that. Disable this preview and then make the draw larger. Can't I make the preview smaller than this? No. Then you only have this button to worry about, but and this is your preview with your draw in one. The preview window doesn't disappear when disabled. Yeah, it's the Qt framework always needs a central widget where it can place the docs around. So there has to be something, but otherwise we need to switch UI framework. Let's see. There is no framework as cute as Qt. Yeah. Let's make sure it builds again. Are cats singing and playing this song? Don't think so. Let's make sure. Now you can see the song. See what song is playing and look it up. Hey, welcome on in, Resco. There. That was not the effect I was looking for. I need this one. Did not compile because I did not save the C file. Yeah, a lot of Streamlit stuff was made before the AI boom, yeah. That looks like garbage. I like how it looks, kinda. No. I don't like it. It's just a checkerboard pattern on the whole grid. Yeah, Eros Heller paid multiple people to make music for him, yeah? Yeah, the DMCA made him quite popular. I almost wonder if Nintendo or other gaming companies would go after people using their music in video streams. Wait, draw effect is just a package shader filter. Kinda. A lot of plugins do things with shaders because that's the way graphics cards can do efficient calculations. And shader filter is a way to have those shaders, and the draw plugin also uses a shader to do all its drawing. Let's see. This will go to let's try this. Let's see. I did not save the C file again. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see. If you could have chat draw with this plugin, one of the features I've been adding, and that's not released yet, is that you can do vendor requests, so that you can have doing the drawing via OBS WebSocket. And so if you use a Twitch extension and like something like StreamerBot, you should be able to let people click on your stream where they want to draw something. Why is this not working for the other half? The simple idea of this plugin has so many applications, yeah. I try to make the plugins I make in a way that it doesn't restrict how you use it. So, because people are more creative than the ways I think of creating a... If I think it's useful for one thing, people will always find like 5 other things it's useful for, so... think about half. This many should be good. It's kind of working. And with the smaller size, it's still working. Good enough for now. That is the selection done there. Is there a way of finding out what's eating VRAM in OBS? Disabling stuff and enabling it to see when the VRAM goes down and up. $12 GB. Yeah, that's quite a bit. The source profiler does not indicate how much RAM or VRAM is used. Yeah, it only says CPU and GPU utilization for video. There is a pull request open that it also does CPU utilization for audio. But the memory usage is a lot harder to see. Yeah. Let's see. I have the colors now into draw effect. I'll leave that for now. Then we should set the I'm wondering why no ads. I said, yeah, that will do it. That will do it. Then we have our selection. It's smaller than the maximum. And then we need this whole sequence again. Then it's selected. Then we should get a track mode. And this is for the rectangle. Let's see if that switches me to track mode if I first select a part and then put my mouse down in a selected part. Yeah, I get at the breakpoint, so it seems to be working. Don't forget. It should go back. If we let go and we're in track mode, we should to move this track, then we should let's see if that does what I want. Let's restart it with this selected so that it's saved. Yes. Let's draw the selection. Then we have to select from select tool. Then we need those here. Select from select tool. Welcome on in, Taki mate. If 2 is 1 or 9. It's slowly getting late in our corner of Europe. Yeah! Just getting one more thing done and then... Also, don't forget clear shortcut. Yeah! I can remove this part. Let's see. I think I broke something. Let's see, what did I break? Should be. It should all be fine. Failed to load. What is in the error list? There. Let's see if that improves something. Yes, that seems to load. Select another tool, it should be gone. Yeah. And then while dragging, it's also gone. Yeah. I think I am going to call it for today. Got the basics in for selection, and I will work on it. I probably think tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll stream it or not, but there will be more work done on the draw plugin. Let's see if we